Okay, I got the camera here. I just finished painting this. This is the bracket for the camera. I need to clean it up and remove all the support that I added to the pad to print it. So let's go. Let's get to know this is the suction cup that goes to the glass window in the front, and it has to go inside. So the hole fit perfectly. You just have to do it, but before you do it, you're going to add super glue. That way it stays tight and doesn't come out, you know. So the first thing to do is you have those two that we need. You have some super glue here. I'll use my cotton stick. I use this to put the super glue inside. That way, you know, when you install it, it doesn't come out. Okay, you do the same thing here. You add super glue. Okay, this time is come to know this. The camera can be extended. It's really good. And next step is to install the bracket. It goes this way. Let's remove this screen. You just push. It will lock in place as easy like that. That's it. Now you can adjust it whatever you want, but it's going to be installed this way. Because you can adjust this here. It's going to the front of the car. I'm going to show really quick how to install the bracket here. So this piece comes with the package. Is a double side tape and 2 screws. First we remove, because I want to install that. So this is how this will go inside the window of the car. The glass window, and this will be installed like this, and I need to attach this in a very secure way to the bracket. So the first thing to do is to remove one side of the tape. Just be careful here to put it the right way. This side is supposed to face the back of the car. This lens has to be pointed outside. So that's how it goes. This goes to the window and this is outside. I need to tighten this. Get slowly into it with this side too. Okay, that's good. And now we need to put the screw here, just to secure that. That's why I'm adding this screw. Otherwise, we don't really need it, but it's always good to secure this. Okay. That's good. This side too. Oh good, so it's secure now. That's how we want this. It's very tight and you can twist it, move it. And this side will have double-sided tape. It will go to the back window of the car. I'm going to install this camera in the car, the front and back camera. That way, whoever is driving, when you drive, it will be recording automatically, and in case of any accident, there's a proof and what happened, people can see that. The first thing I'm going to do is to plug in the charger. Unfortunately, this car doesn't have the outlet here to plug in closer to the dashboard, but at least it has it here, and I'm going to plug in here. First thing I'm going to do is to test and make sure that the power is working, and plug in here. Where is okay, the power is working, we have power. That is good. The next thing is to wrap the cord. It keeps going. Oh. Now I have a wire coming here. Moment we have to install the screen on the window, and he wound it here. Okay, here. Okay, so first I have to tighten to the position I want that to. I want it like this. Got it? You remove the plastic and wrap a little bit to remove every dust. Open that. That's what's gonna create the section. You can tighten that after that. Put it here. I think here is good. You lock it. You lock it, and then you can tighten this to make it very tight. Lock everything. I think it needs to go a little bit higher. There we go. Okay. Okay. What goes behind? So you can adjust and hide some of this wire here, because we don't need that to be too long. It's going to be plugged in here. This amount of wire is enough. Let's plug it in first. Yes. Okay, I just plug in the cable. I'm gonna turn it on and the power comes. So as soon as I have power, you see the screen is here. I'm going to install the rear camera, the camera for the back now. And that one is a little bit more tricky, a bit more difficult, but because the wires, you have longer wire and you have to ride it all the way. Can you come out? Okay. That's how we want it here. I need double side tape. Okay, so I'm using double side tape for this side. It holds pretty well, especially on that part of the car. So people say, "Oh, double side tape, does it work that well?" It does work that well. It's looking good. It's looking very good. Now we're gonna check on the screen and see how it is looking in the back. Looks in front, and let's check the screen. Okay, so I'm going to put the memory card inside the car. Here it is. That is important because every video, everything is being recorded, will be recorded on the memory card. And you can see the sign on the top here, how to insert it. It's very obvious. You put the card inside like this, and it goes. Okay, you can see both screens are on now. It's recording, and you can scroll it, see back, front, both screens together. This is front, this is back. I have both screens together. So it's good stuff. Okay, this is good. You can see that it's recording. So the other thing we need to do is you can do the setup. Go to home, setting, photo quad loop recording, put it in 2 minutes, and then for motion detection, turning on, you scroll down, driving collision sensitivity, you put it to high, parking detection, turning on, and the time you can set it up.